Hello everyone, today we'll introduce you the installation and operation for Sincosculpt, which used for muscle building and fat reduction. You can see there are 4 handles. These 2 are curved one for arms and legs. These 2 are flat one for big area like abdomen, thighs, bottom. 4 handles can use both together or separately. Now let's go back to see the connection part. Before you use the machine, you will need to connect all the 4 handles tightly. And you can pull it down, but you cannot shake it left or right. When you install it, make the pipe down and aim at it to install it. There are 4 handles. These 2 are for AB handle control, intensity for AB handles. These 2 are controlling the intensity for CD handles. But if you install AB handle to this position, it's also okay. The 4 handles connection part, the socket, are universal. You can change them, but make sure AB and CD are next to each other. A next to B, C next to CD, D. Okay, then remember to clamp the buckle of the handlepiece after you install it to make sure the handlepiece is installed tightly and well. The other 3 handles, same installation methods. Okay, now once the 4 handles connection well, connect the power supply and we can start the machine. You can see the interface shows automatic working mode and manual mode. Okay, now let's imagine we use the automatic working mode firstly. You can see you can choose sex, which means gender, and female and male. Okay, then age group. Then treatment body parts. Abdomen, arms, shoulder, hips. When you treat pelvic floor, you can also choose hips for parameter setting. Okay, now then enter into the parameter setting interface. For auto mode, you can see there are 5 different treatment methods. You can choose any of them. And if you choose one, then you can see there are a short time here in the left. For example, the first is 1 minute. There are different training modes. If you want to switch to other training modes, you can click here directly. You can see the time change. And for example, the training mode has warm-up, exercise, higher intensity exercise, and relax. Okay, you can see there are treatment time. Normally, we use for 30 minutes for 1 session. You can also increase to 60 minutes, depends on the client's demands. This is the intensity, which means energy for AB handles. Controls the left connection part with AB handles. And this one is the energy intensity for CD handles. If you want to use AB handle, it can increase the energy for AB handle. You can see the left one, the AB handles has been lightened, but CD is not, which means we only use AB handles for now. Okay, now both AB, CD 4 handles has been chosen for using together. We suggest treatment from lower energy, but you can ask how the client feels and increase the energy until she feels muscle energy but not hurt. Okay, now click this one to start the treatment. Now its 4 handles work at the same time. If you want to only use two handles, for example, AB handle, you can decrease energy CD to 0. The left button is suspension button. Then let's see how the manual mode working. Click this button to go into the manual mode, and same to choose gender, age, and treatment body parts. Then going into the setting interface. For manual mode, you can accept the intensity for 4 handles. You can also setting the frequency for different working mode in one session. 3 frequency both range from 0 to 150 Hz. For F1, we suggest 50 Hz, F2 for 5 Hz, F3 for 150 Hz. This is the normal suggesting parameters we suggest. You can also adjust according to your clients and your experience. The treatment time, normally one session is 30 minutes. These two are for intensity, the energy for AB and CD handles. These 3 frequency working modes will automatically circulate. F1 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, F1, F2, F3, then F1, F2, F3 circulates automatically. Then click enter into it. Now set treatment energy. You can also set here for AB handle or CD handles for the intensity. Energy do skin test and ask how the client feels from lower to top. This one for start and this one for pause for suspension. This one is the frequency we just said. F1 for 5 minutes, then F2, then F3, then F1 automatically. You can also click this one to change it directly. When start work, please notice this 2 AB handle cannot face 2 CD handle. Otherwise, the electromagnetic wave will affect the machine. Also, please notice these pipes cannot be bent. And also, when it works, the working handpiece cannot face to the interface, the machine interface. Okay, let's see how to work on the patient. Please remove all the metal things on the patient. You can fasten the bandage first and then insert the handpiece into the bandage. For abdomen treatment, choose 1 or 2 handle according to the client's abdominal size. Please stick the handpiece closely to the treatment area and avoid obvious bone area. We do not suggest to do the upper breast area. The curved CD handles are for arms and legs. You can just put your arm onto it or leg onto it. Then we can choose the energy and start testing from lower to higher energy. Ask how the client feels. And for different clients, different treatment areas, the client feeling is different. So you can change the parameter according to the client feelings. If she or he feels a little feeling, you can increase it. You can see now with different parameter. You can increase it until the client feels strong energy but not hurt. Please don't worry, it's no side effects. So if the client can bear it, you can increase to get better results. If you want to do pelvic floor muscle building, you can have this handpiece, pelvic floor handpiece, and change any of the AB or CD handles. Any one of them will be okay. For example, we change here this one. one of the CD handles. Remove one handle and then install the pelvic floor handle. Insert it well and clamp the buckle to make sure the handpiece connects tightly and well. For manual, same frequency setting, 55 and 150 Hz. Then you can start from the lower energy to higher energy and ask how the client feels. As we changed the CD hand, one of the CD handles, so now the pelvic floor was controlled by the CD parameter on interface. Then we choose CD and start from lower energy to test how the client feels. Same when the client feels energy but not hurt. You can keep asking the client feeling and increase the energy until get a great energy but not hurt with great treatment effects. For pelvic floor treatment, the client can just sit on the pelvic floor handle. You can put on a chair or something to start the treatment for same 30 minutes for one session. Okay, that's the whole guidance for Sincosculpt installation and operation. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks.